Welcome to the worldwide family of Braun lift owners. We created this program to help you get the most out of your Braun public use wheelchair lift. Over the next few minutes, we'll highlight the operation of the lift. However, in addition to watching this video, we recommend that you read your lift operator's manual and that you also pay close attention to the information and safety decals on the lift itself. Before attempting to use your lift, we also strongly suggest that you examine the unit carefully and notify the carrier immediately if you notice any damage that might have occurred in transit. Do not use your lift until any problems have been resolved or you've received confirmation from Braun that the lift can be safely used. Also note that it's essential that you fill out the attached product warranty card and mail it to the Braun Corporation in order to activate your warranty. A detailed breakdown of that warranty can be found on the back of your owner's manual. You'll also want to make note that there are 2 Braun serial and series number identification tags on your lift. One ID tag is located on the inside of the access door panel, and the second is located on the outside of the rear platform side rail. Both tags give the product identification information that you'll be recording on your warranty card. You'll also use these numbers if you need to file a claim or order parts in the future. So we recommend that you record this information in your user's manual for easy access. Once your inspection and paperwork are complete, you're ready to learn about the proper operation of your Braun under-vehicle lift. In this video, you'll receive an overview of the UVL, its safety features, and basic precautions that will help to safeguard both you and your passengers. And of course, we'll show you how to properly load and unload passengers, operate the lift using the manual backup systems, and perform basic preventive maintenance. Your Braun UVL is ADA compliant and fully satisfies the requirements of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA. And Braun's public use UVL makes it easy for a trained attendant to load and unload passengers and mobility equipment with a combined weight of up to 750 pounds by providing fully automatic operation of the lift. Depending on the model and features you choose, your UVL may also be equipped with an automatic power door system. The lift handrails and interlocking belt require manual operation but are easy to operate. And all functions can be operated even in the unlikely event of a vehicle electrical system failure using our manual backup systems. Before attempting to operate your UVL, it's important to recognize Braun's built-in safety features. The lift is designed to help prevent unintentional operation that could result in accidents or injury to passengers or operators. The UVL interlock system, for example, prevents lift operation unless the vehicle is stopped and parked. It also prevents vehicle movement unless the platform is fully stowed. Special sensors in the lift also prevent certain actions if passengers are not properly positioned. Neither the outer barrier nor inner roll stop will rise if occupied. The platform will not rise off the ground unless the outer barrier is raised. A warning will sound if the threshold is occupied. By the same token, the platform can only be lowered if the inner roll stop is not occupied, and the lift will not stow if it senses the platform is occupied. Although the Braun Public Use UVL offers a number of built-in safety features, it's important that operators read all warning and caution labels and adhere to their instructions each and every time the lift is used. It's also important to follow proper procedures to help enhance overall safety. For example, be sure the vehicle parking brake is engaged before attempting to load or unload a passenger. Be sure the vehicle doors are fully opened and secured before activating the lift. Avoid use of the lift in areas where there is vehicular traffic. Be certain to load and unload passengers on level surfaces only. Provide adequate clearance outside the vehicle to allow full deployment of the lift. Keep bystanders and yourself clear of the area in which the lift is being operated. Be sure passengers are fully secured and wheelchair brakes engaged before moving the lift. Ensure that passengers are contained within the lift occupant area and are clear of moving parts. Turn powered wheelchairs off while on the lift. And make sure all roll stops and barriers are in their fully upright position before moving the lift. All of the key functions of your UVL are conveniently controlled using one of the 3 buttons on your handheld pendant control. Once the vehicle doors are fully opened, the operator can begin unloading a passenger. Before attempting to activate the lift, notice that the power on-off switch will show a green power indicator to signal that you are ready to activate the lift. Assuming that you have a green light, press and hold the up button on your pendant control, and the lift will move out of its storage compartment under the vehicle. Notice that when the up button is pressed and the platform is fully extended, the lift's mechanical inner roll stop automatically rotates to the vertical position before the platform is allowed to rise. Once the platform is fully extended, release the button and motion will stop so the operator can more easily raise the lift handrails. To raise the handrails, simply lift the latch handles located at the base of each rail. Raise the handrails to the fully upright position and re-engage the latch handles to lock the handrails into place. Check to be sure they are securely locked. Once the handrails are in the upright and locked position, be sure the handrail belt is secured. Then use the up button again to raise the platform to vehicle floor level. As an added safety feature, the UVL's threshold warning alarm will light and sound if the threshold area is occupied when the platform is 1 or more inches below floor level. Also notice that as the platform reaches vehicle floor level, the inner roll stop automatically rotates to the horizontal or bridging position in order to provide a smooth transition between the platform and the vehicle floor. Be sure that the inner roll stop rests solidly on the vehicle floor before attempting to move a passenger onto the lift. Although the UVL can safely transport passengers in either the inboard or outboard facing positions, Braun recommends the outboard position because of the enhanced sense of security it provides for passengers. The UVL can also easily accommodate passengers in wheelchairs and standing passengers who use walkers. However, it is important to ensure that all passengers, whether sitting or standing, are positioned at the center of the platform within the yellow boundaries to help ensure that they have cleared the vehicle bridge and are in the proper position for side-to-side load balance and smooth movement of the platform. In fact, if the passenger has not fully cleared the bridge, the inner roll stop safety feature will prevent the lift from operating. Once the passenger is in position, be sure all wheelchair brakes are engaged, power is off for powered wheelchairs, and wheelchair seat belts or restraints are secured. Also, if physically possible, it's a good idea to have the passenger hold the lift's handrails for additional support. Then, press and hold the down button on your handheld control until the entire platform reaches ground level and the outer barrier unfolds completely. Then unfasten the handrail belt. Unlock wheelchair brakes. Switch on wheelchair power if necessary, and unload the passenger from the platform. Although the UVL has a safety feature that prevents movement of the lift platform if any portion of the outer barrier is occupied, visually check to be sure the passenger is completely free of the lift and out of the lift area before unloading another passenger or returning the lift to its storage compartment. To load a passenger into your vehicle using the public use UVL, again, start with your vehicle doors opened and secured. Then press the down button on your pendant control to move the platform out of its storage position. Once the platform is fully extended, release the down button and motion will stop. This will allow the operator to safely raise the lift handrails at a more comfortable height. To raise the rails, again, simply lift the latch handles located at the base of each handrail, raise the rails to the fully upright position, and re-engage the latch handles to lock the handrails into place. Check to be sure they are securely locked. Once the handrails are in the upright and locked position, be sure the handrail belt is secured. Then press the down button again to lower the platform to the ground. Notice that the inner roll stop will automatically move to the upright and locked position before allowing the lift to lower. When the platform reaches ground level, the inner roll stop will remain in the upright and locked position, while the outer barriers will extend to form a ramp to allow the passenger smooth movement onto the platform. After moving the passenger onto the lift platform and into position within the yellow boundaries, again, secure the passenger before activating the lift. Lock wheelchair brakes. Turn off wheelchair power on powered chairs. Attach the handrail belt if you've not already done so. Be sure all wheelchair seat belts are secured. and have the passenger hold the lift's handrails, if possible, for additional support. While being sure to stand clear of the lift, press and hold the up switch on the pendant control. This will allow the outer barriers to move to the upright and locked position and the platform to rise to vehicle floor level. The lift will stop at floor level automatically, and the inner roll stop will move to the horizontal or bridging position. Once the lift has stopped completely, re-engage power to powered chairs, disengage wheelchair brakes, and move the passenger into the vehicle compartment. Once the passenger is safely away from the platform, you're ready to load another passenger or return the platform to its storage compartment. To return the platform to its storage position, make sure the handrail belt is attached. Press and hold the stow switch until the platform stops at storage level. Then release the switch, unlatch the handrail belt, and while holding onto the handrail, lift the rear handrail latch and manually fold the outer barrier and rear handrail down on top of the barrier. Fold the front handrail on top of the rear handrail and lower the latch handles to keep the handrails from contacting the housing when stowed. Press and hold the stow switch again, and the platform will automatically fold the inner roll stop barrier before moving the platform into the storage compartment. Once the platform is fully stowed, release the stow switch and close and secure your vehicle door. In the unlikely event that your vehicle experiences power or equipment failure, it's good to know that your Braun UVL can be safely and easily operated using the UVL's manual backup system. Instructions and illustrations for all steps that differ from standard lift operation are located on the inside of the pump cover, as well as in your operator's manual. Before attempting manual operation, it's important to familiarize yourself with the location and operation of the key system components housed within the power pack compartment. Specifically, the T-handle release cable, which allows the platform to be manually extended and retracted, and the manual backup pump that makes it possible for you to manually lower and raise the extended platform. The location of the power pack and release cable may vary from vehicle to vehicle, but operation is essentially the same. Note that the platform carriage assembly is secured by a cable-activated system that releases and engages the drive chain for manual operation. A T-handle on the release cable is used to disengage the drivetrain so it can be easily moved in and out of its storage compartment. To release the platform, simply turn the T-handle 90 degrees and pull it out until it is fully extended. Then turn the handle in either direction until it locks. The platform will now easily slide out of its storage compartment. Note, however, that you must push in and turn the T-handle to lock the platform in its extended position, or it will continue to move freely as you raise or lower the platform. Of course, this uncontrolled movement could cause damage to both the vehicle and the lift, and could have devastating consequences if unsecured when attempting to move a passenger. So, it's important to physically check to be sure the platform is securely locked in its extended position by grasping the outer barrier and attempting to move the platform. Before raising the platform to floor level, unfold and secure the handrails and attach the handrail belt as previously instructed under powered operation. The manual hand pump is used to raise and lower the UVL platform. To raise the platform, locate the hand pump and remove the hand pump handle from its storage clip. Insert the pump handle into the hand pump slot and gently turn the handle in a clockwise position until the pump valve is fully closed. Then, simply pump the handle to raise the platform to vehicle floor level. You are now ready to move your passenger onto the platform using the same procedures you followed for automatic loading and unloading of a passenger. Lock wheelchair brakes. Turn off wheelchair power on powered chairs. Be sure all wheelchair seatbelts are secured, and have the passenger hold the lift's handrails if possible for additional support. No pumping is required to manually lower the platform and passenger to the ground. Simply turn the pump handle counterclockwise to open the pump release valve. Releasing the valve will allow the platform to slowly move to ground level. Once the platform has reached ground level, close the pump release valve by turning the pump handle clockwise once again. Unfold the outer barrier by removing the hairpin cotter from the detent pin. Then removing the detent pin and moving the barrier to the horizontal ramp position. You are now ready to release the handrail belt. Restore power to powered chairs, release wheelchair brakes, and move your passenger off of the platform. When no longer needed, it's important to return the lift platform to its storage compartment before reverting to normal powered operation. When the lift is fully extended manually, it doesn't activate the proper switches for normal operation. Returning the lift to its compartment allows for proper switch activation and operation. To manually return the UVL platform to its storage position, first fold the outer barrier against the platform and reinsert the detent and cotter pins to secure and prepare them for powered operation when restored. Next, you may choose to return the platform handrails to their storage position before raising the platform to storage level. Or, you can wait until you've raised the platform to storage level, which may be a more comfortable working height. Assuming that you've already turned the pump handle clockwise to close the pump valve, pump the handle until the platform rises to storage level. Note that the bottom of the platform should be 1/4 inch above the bottom channel on the front of the housing. To release the drive chain once again to allow free movement of the platform into the storage compartment, turn and pull the T-handle to its fully extended position and turn it to lock the cable assembly in this disengaged position. Slide the platform into its storage compartment and re-engage the cable assembly to lock the platform into place by turning the T-handle, pushing it in, and then turning it again to lock the cable assembly in the engaged position. Again, failure to securely lock the platform in the storage compartment could result in damage to your vehicle and the lift, and even ejection from the compartment when the vehicle is in motion. Check to be sure the platform is securely locked in the stowed position by grasping the outer barrier and attempting to move the platform. Before removing the pump handle from the hand pump, check to be sure the hand pump valve is fully closed and ready for operation when the vehicle's electrical system is functioning again. When the platform is completely stowed and secured, simply clip the handle back into its storage compartment. Every Braun lift is designed and built for durable and dependable service. You can maximize the life and operation of your lift by performing routine inspections and simple maintenance tasks. By lubricating moving parts, cleaning debris from mechanisms, and checking for wear and tear, you protect your investment while enhancing the safety of lift passengers and operators. Some parts require lubricating, maintenance, or inspection more often than others. Your operator's manual outlines a full schedule of maintenance procedures to be conducted at regular intervals. And a lift-ready green LED mounted on the handheld pendant storage bracket will change color to yellow after every 750 cycles to act as a visual reminder that routine maintenance may be in order. The LED won't affect functions and will return to its original green color once maintenance and lubrication have taken place and the cycle button has been reset. Simply press the cycle button located below the LCD display on the control board until the lift-ready LED changes back to green. The cycle button also clears the lift cycle count since the last servicing, but not the lift's lifetime cycle count. Although your owner's manual and LED provide a suggested maintenance schedule, keep in mind that the amount of time between intervals will also depend on the number of times your lift is cycled, as well as other variables that can affect your lift. For example, if you regularly experience heavy rain or snow, you might want to perform maintenance more often to ensure smooth operation and prevent problems. And, of course, if you notice wear and tear at any time, you should perform maintenance or replacement procedures at your earliest opportunity. Preventive maintenance and longevity of your UVL revolve around two key factors: lubrication and inspection. When it comes to applying lubricant to specific lift components, your manual includes a diagram showing parts that need regular lubrication. Most parts require a light penetrating oil, which is available at most auto parts stores, hardware stores, and home centers. Your manual also suggests the use of special lubricants for specific components and offers item numbers for easy ordering from Braun if not locally available. Before applying lubricant to any part, start by clearing dirt and debris from the area. Dirt and grit are extremely abrasive and can seriously affect smooth movement and shorten the life of components. Once clean, apply the specified lubricant and operate the mechanism a few times to ensure that the oil works its way into the areas where friction could occur. Another important maintenance task is to inspect parts for wear and replace any worn or damaged parts as needed. The maintenance schedule in your operator's manual indicates specific parts to check during your regular maintenance routine. If you see signs of abnormal lift damage or wear before replacement is suggested, stop using the lift immediately and contact the Braun Corporation National Product Support Division for guidance or help in finding an authorized service facility near you. Following the correct operating procedures and performing regular maintenance will help you get years of service and satisfaction from your Braun public use under vehicle lift. If you have questions about your lift's safety features, operation, or preventive maintenance procedures, or if you'd like more information about your lift or other Braun products, contact your Braun representative at 1-800-THE-LIFT. Thank you for choosing Braun.